Hi guys, it's me, Zim, and this is my sister, Risha. So today we're gonna make a unicorn fairy cake, cupcakes from the Tesco, and we just have to add eggs, milk, and butter. Let's get started. No more. Can you make me little chunks of them to break off? Oh yay! You can have it. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Cute. Pour it in, Aisha. No, Cheryl. I'm gonna pour it in. Just do it
Go
with
on.
one hand. I'm gonna do it too.
Well done, Zainab. चलो बिस्किट Zainab.
Whisk. There you go. Nice little crack.
Go on.
Be careful you get those. I've got milk, we don't know. So now our mixture is ready. Do you see it here?
Yep.
So now we're going to put our cupcake cases, the unicorn colour ones. Then we're going to place them in each one, but there's only 6. We're going to put 6 in each one. Cut. I need help. So my auntie put in all the cupcake mixture in all these 6 cases. Now my auntie's gonna put it in the oven so we can make all the other stuff that we need to make. Okay. So now we're going to do one of your fun parts in this world. We're going to make our ears ready and horns and face, and we're going to make huge charms, but any type of charms, and you save these fondants. Now our cupcakes are ready. Now we chuck them out in the oven, and we're gonna wait for them to cool down. Now the cupcakes are ready and they look so cute. Now the cupcakes are ready and they look so cute. If you like our video, please give a big thumbs up. Bye.